What is going on, guys? Nick Schramm. Today we're going to be doing a few fun things that you can do during this quarantine. This is just a Com 101 project. So the first thing that we're going to be looking at here is making a paper airplane. First, you're going to want to find yourself just your normal basic paper. If you get anything that's not really to size or the same thickness, the plane's it's not gonna fly the same. You're not gonna get that distance, that you're really looking for when you throw that plane. So yeah, just why not do some blue paper, colorful paper. White can get boring sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a couple different paper airplanes you can make, throw around the house. Yeah, so let's get this started. So obviously first you want to get your paper. You're going to want to put it hot dog style, all right? First fold you're going to make, take this upper corner and you're just going to fold it like this. Let me just get you'll make sure everything lines up, or else your airplane, it's going to be flying sideways. That can be fun sometimes, but if you're in like some sort of competition, with your brothers or something, you're going to want to make sure that your plane is flying the furthest. So this is what the first fold looks like. You're really just folding that first corner of it over to the other side. Next, you're going to grab this up here, and you're going to pull it. It's going to line up down here just like this. There you go. Make sure everything's lining up real nice. You don't want any of those lines overlapping each other. You want it to be real nice. So now it looks almost just like a house, right? You got yourself a real nice house built here, and it's soon going to end up looking just like a paper airplane. Next step is to fold this nose right down. You're going to want to be just about an inch and a quarter from the bottom of that bottom of the sheet here. Maybe a bit too far there. You know what? The step that really helps that I miss is if you first step you do, if you fold the paper in half, you have a real nice line going down your paper. So then the symmetry. We'll do that on the next one. But yeah, so now you got something looking like this, right? Your next step is gonna be you're gonna take this tip here and you're gonna fold it just barely up. Probably about an inch of it. It's gonna go up just like that. So now you got something looking like this. Then you're going to fold it right in half. Right in half, going like this way, so the folds are facing outwards. So fold that bad boy right in half, just like that. Oh yeah, now we got a plane going. I'm not going to lie, this is not the most perfect airplane I've ever made out of paper, but, it's probably still going to break some records. Yeah, let's redo that fold. You want to make sure it's directly in half, or else it's just not gonna fly right. Can't be having no lopsided airplane when you're throwing it out. Next after you make that halfway fold, you're gonna want to make the wings. Fold the wings. We're making the wings, right? So you're gonna want to fold each one in half again. Maybe a little bit more than half. You're gonna want to leave about an inch on the bottom there. And if it's not exactly the same, if it's not dead on, it'll be just fine. It's a paper airplane. No passengers aboard. You don't have to worry about this thing crashing. Alright, sweet. So, as of right now, we got what looks to be like this, right? Your next step, so you're going to want to make this thing like a little trick plane, right? It's kind of boring if it's just, whatever, you can throw it. Cool. You're going to want to fold the wingtips in. This is going to give it a little bit of aerobatic ability. It's going to make this thing agile. You want an agile airplane. It makes it more fun. You see what we did there? Little bit of wingtip action there. Go up on the other one as well. All right, cool. So now I got this going on here, right? But you're not done yet, right? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some ailerons / yeah, So what you're gonna do here, you can use scissors, but for those of you at home, maybe you don't have any scissors. We're just gonna use our fingers. You're just gonna eyeball it. Just rip a little slot there, right? Rip a little slot here. You're gonna want to try and do it as close as you can to the center of the plane, because the further out you go, if they're unequal, the plane's gonna want to roll on you. There you go. There's that. There's that. Sweet. Now what these are going to be able to let you control, you're going to want them to be about the same size, which we didn't really do a very good job doing there. You can control how the airplane pitches with those. So if you notice you go to throw that plane and the thing just darts straight to the ground, you're going to want to just take these bad boys like this. You're going to want to rip them straight up and down, and the plane's going to fly more level. You can even do this and chuck this plane. You got them like this, the thing's going to do a loop. You got yourself a trick plane. Alright, look out for the next video of the COM 101 Mass Communication Project. We're going to be making another paper airplane so you can race them.